Hello and welcome to Coptrz Black Flyday. I'm really excited to announce some of the massive savings that we've got going on across our site this year, including all of our commercial sectors such as public safety, inspection and surveying. So let's get into the show. Our first deal today is on our Ultimate Advanced package. Now this includes the Mavic 2 Enterprise Advanced drone, a DJI Smart Controller, a training bundle including the GVC and A2 CFC, a 12-month subscription to Drone Desk, access to Coptrz Academy. Now this normally retails for £5,997, but you're going to get £1,000 off this weekend. An unbelievable deal.
For asset inspection, boy do we have a blinder. You can save up to £3,000 on a Matrice 300 RTK, 2 batteries, a battery station, smart controller, H20 camera, and lifetime access to Pix 4D. All of this is just £12,999. And if the H20 doesn't quite cut it for your applications, we can bespoke a package for you, including either the L1, the P1, or the H20T, whatever works for you.
Next one's one of my personal favorites, and that's for the Mavic 3 drone. Now I know what you're thinking, the Mavic 3's only just come out, so how are Coptrz already offering a deal on it? Well, we're offering £500 off our photography, marketing and media package, which includes the Mavic 3 and all the training that you're going to need to get up and operational. This one's been dropped down to £3,497, and that's an amazing deal for a drone of this caliber.
You can save up to £1,000 off of our agriculture and forestry package, which includes a Phantom 4 RTK multispectral and a training bundle including your GVC. You also get a 2-week Pix 4D mapper trial and a 2-week RTK license as well.
At Coptrz, we've made a commitment to our UK emergency services. We understand how expensive it can be to get up and operational within the drone industry, which is why we've created a deal that includes 10 GVCs and a chief pilot's course for only £2,500. This will give your team the training that they need in order to operate competently in the field and relieve stress on smaller drone teams.
Our last Black Friday offer is for all of you surveyors. You can get the ball rolling with a Phantom 4 RTK, a lifetime license for Pix 4D Mapper, and a 1-year license for RTK, all for just £7,499. That's a massive saving of £2,400. With this package, you'll be able to create accurate 3D maps and models, and then easily export your projects to wow your clients.